Hi there. Welcome everyone. This is Sakti Vail. We've got a great episode coming up today. The show is, got 8 puzzles. The usual two numbers, two, three, three numbers, and then three, four numbers. So we'll get started in a minute. I just wanted to remind you all, and for the newcomers who are joining us, that all we need to do is solve the puzzle in the allocated time, and then just relax. You just have to get it right. Don't worry about how fast you are solving it. We're not clocking you as to how fast you are solving it. You just need to get it done in the 10, 15, or 20 seconds that we allocate you for each of the puzzles. So wanted to let's get started on puzzle number 1. 4, 8, and the desired result is 12. So there are two possible answers, as you know, and so you can get either one of them. And remember, it's just you can touch 8 plus 4 and then get the answers. So let's take a look at how we are getting, how many people are getting it the same way. And 8 plus 4 is 12. That's 17 of you are getting it. So large number plus small number. And 2 of you have done 4 plus 8 equal to 12. So congratulations to the 17, and the other 2 figure out what you need to change and then get maximum points. So the leader is at 17 now. We move on to puzzle 2. 5, 7, and the desired result is 12. So get to work and lock in your answers. We can, get the time is running out just about now. Collecting the answers, and we'll have that. So we've got some. Now everybody has figured out how to do this. So large number plus small number is that's 19. 7 plus 5. So we've got everything. Everybody got 19 points this time. Congratulations. The leader is at 36 points. So we've got some chat going on with Hari. Welcome, Sangeeta. Let's get moving to question 3, please. 10, 2, and 5 with a desired result of 13. There are 8 possible solutions. And of course, this being 3 numbers, we give you an extra 5 seconds. So you got 15 seconds to solve this. So let's get your answers locked in. Also, remember, please invite your family and friends with the invite button that's available to you. So there are 4 out of the 8 possible solutions are given here. 5 minus 2 is 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. So 7 of you have given that. And almost equally popular is 10 plus 5, 15 minus 2 is 6 of you have given that. So the leader now is at 43 points. So let's move on to question 4. It's 13, 7, and 5 are the operands. We've got desired result of 1, and there are just 4 possible solutions. So looks like there's some possible subtractions involved in this, and so the number of options have reduced. So you have only 4 possible solutions. So let's get that locked in. And so 13 minus 7 is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. So that's 12 of you have given that solution. So the leader now is with 55 points. And let's move on to question 5. So 6, 2, and 3 with a desired result of 1. So there is only 4 possible solutions. Looks like you've got a desired result is very small compared to the operands. So you're going to have some subtractions involved in this. So go ahead and lock your answers in, and we'll get how many of you have solved it in just a few moments, I should say. So 3 possible solutions out of the 4. So you're using almost 75% of the possible solutions in. 6 minus 3 is 3, and 3 minus 2 is 1. And so 15 of you have locked in that answer. So The leader is now at 70 points. So let's move on to question 6. And I believe this is going to be 4 numbers. So let's try to get 9, 6, 8, and 3 and use addition and subtraction to get desired result of 8. And now we are back up to a bunch of solutions. We've got 150 possible permutations and combinations. So let's see whether you can get how many of you are able to lock this one in. So let's get the answers in. Remember, click the 3 dots, go and invite your friends and family to join in tomorrow's fun. Oh, we've got 9 possible 9 solutions have been given out of the 150. So this had a lot of variations, and I think you are using every bit of it. The leader got 4 points. That 6 plus 3 is 9, and then 9 minus 8 is 1. So you've got 9 minus 1 equal to 8. So that's the so there's not much of a gap between the leader and everybody else in this particular case. So let's try and do. Let's go on to question 7. So question 7 with 4 numbers, 9, 3, 4, and 1. The desired result is 1. So it looks like the number of solutions is minimized quite a bit. So now we have only solution. Usually we have 90, 60, or 150 possible solutions, and in this particular case, we are ending up with just 30 solutions. So let's see how many variations that you are all able to come up with. That's pretty interesting. You still were able to give 6 various answers. So your points, as you know, are shown on the top right. So take a look as to where you stand. The leader is at 82. The leading point getter for this particular game is 9 points. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. And then 2 minus 1 is 1. So that's how the leader ended up with 9 points. The leader is 82. So let's move on to the final question. Question number 8. 9, 13, 5, and 16 with a desired result of 11. So there's some subtraction, some additions involved in it, and you've got 90 possible solutions that are coming up. So we have, so out of these 90 possible solutions, I'm curious to see whether you get 6, 8, or 9 of those solutions locked in. So the results are coming up just a moment. So the leader is at 87 points, and for this particular game, the leader gets 5. So that's 16 minus 2 is 7. So that's the last puzzle for the day, and you all locked in your solutions. You know where you stand. And so just a couple of reminders. You can take a look at the NR trainer if you are interested in improving the speed at which you solve it. We also want to take a look at if you are looking at the various options, look at the 3 dots, click on that. This is after you finish the match, and invite your family and friends and get more people involved in it. Share the wealth, share the fun, and share the enjoyment. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at the winners. So there are 18 winners, each getting at about, I think, 28 cents a piece. So congratulations to each and every one of you. And so the number royale for the day is KPMJ, Ratna following close second at 85 points, and Jayamani third at 82 points. So congratulations to each and every one of our 18 winners today. And I'm glad you are able to join. I hope you had a lot of fun. So at this point, this is Saktivel signing off for today. Just remember, without numbers, you're not even a 0. So be a hero, play Number Royale. Thank you, and good night.